Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Apple Cash. It's really simple and easy. Let's first head into your settings and you need to make sure everything is set up. So let's scroll at the very bottom and you will see Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on that and the first thing you need to make sure is Apple Cash is toggled on. So of course, if that is toggled off, then you need to make sure that you turn it on and initiate the Apple Cash. That's essentially how you are going to send and receive money to someone. However, on here you can see Apple Cash, it says balance is $0. I need to add a balance on here to be able to send money. Hit add card and I need to hit debit or credit card and then just go through this process of entering the card details manually or holding it next to the card. Essentially, if you go back, you need a debit card added on here so that you can use it to add cash. After you have added that debit card, I'm going to tap on Apple Cash and you can see here add money. I'm going to tap on that and it says my current balance is $0. Now keep in mind you can add $1. The minimum that you can add is $10. So let's type in 10 and just hit add. Now after you have done that, it says Apple Cash. Alright, it will transfer it from my bank account. I'm just going to double click here and just like that it will transfer that money over to my Apple Cash and my balance will increase to $10. And now on here I can always set it up to auto reload if I wanted to auto reload a certain amount each month, but now I'm good to go. I have a balance on here that I can then send over to someone else. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add money to Apple Pay Cash. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.